much insecurity where the minority of this country is concerned, even to look at a draft for the UCC, the Uniform Civil Code?
Preeti, first things comes first. Whenever we are talking of the Uniform Civil Code, I fail to understand whoever is proposing, for example, the BJP government or the RSS, when they propose to do so, do they have a draft towards it, Preeti? I fail to understand what is the purpose of the Uniform Civil Code. Yes, you can bring in the Uniform Civil Code. I challenge, Rakesh Sinha ji, that if you are so concerned with gender justice and gender equality, I bet you will have to take all the Quranic laws. You cannot skip whatever is positive in whatever religion it's coming from. So I bet the Quran is based on gender justice and gender equality. Maybe in the years to come, the ulemas and the clerics, they might have misused the dictates of the Quran. But herein, when you are talking of the Uniform Civil Code, I am completely agreeing with Sanjay Hegde ji. Where is the draft proposal? You bringing the draft proposal, you tell all the communities to come on one table, we can have a talk. But beyond a draft resolution, without a draft resolution, every time to whip up passions, UCC is used just to say that look at these clerics and these Muslims, they don't want one nation, one law.
All right, okay. I want to go back to Mr. Sinha. Mr. Sinha, there is a concern which was raised by Mr. Hegde, and I wanted to bring to that how uniform, sir, will be the Uniform Civil Code. Will, like Mr. Hegde said, what about same-sex marriages? Would there be uniformity, consensus on it?
The primary thing is that consensus, and that consensus was built up in the Constituent Assembly, that this should be, our ideal is the Uniform Civil Code. It is not the innovation of the Bharatiya Janata Party or the RSS headquarters Nagpur. It is the innovation of our own Constituent Assembly. Hegde had all the right and all the moral position to contradict the Constituent Assembly and reject the consensus achieved in the Constituent Assembly. Only division was that whether it should be the part of the fundamental rights chapter or not. And there was voting, and 5:4 the voting in that subcommittee. 5 people favored that no, it should not be the part, and 4 people favored that it should be part of the fundamental rights chapter. This is the historical fact. You cannot deny.